TOTO WASHLET KS5 review. Heated seat and instant warm water that actually deliver. Cold water, first thing in the morning. Nothing wakes you up quite like a bidet seat that never bothered warming up overnight. I watched my neighbor nearly throw his budget bidet across the bathroom after 6 months of that exact experience every single day. That quiet daily frustration is more common than people admit. If that sounds familiar, you are definitely not alone here. The pressure compounds quickly. You try adjusting settings, repositioning the spray, waiting longer for the water to warm, and nothing actually solves the core problem. That cold, inconsistent experience creates genuine tension every single morning. Cheap fixes exist everywhere, but none of them address the root issue cleanly. There has to be a smarter, warmer, and more dignified solution built around how real people actually live daily. Then everything changed when I found the TOTO WASHLET KS5. Don't just pick any electronic bidet seat. Make sure it has instantaneous tankless water heating so you never waste another morning on cold, inconsistent water temperature again. That one feature alone separates this seat from almost everything else in the category. Here is what surprised me from the very first use. The water is warm immediately, continuously, and consistently because the KS5 heats on demand rather than drawing from a stored tank that depletes. The self-cleaning wand handles its own hygiene before and after every use, using clean resin technology, which means maintenance practically takes care of itself.
The heated soft close seat adjusts to your preferred temperature and descends quietly without slamming. Front and rear wash modes with oscillating and pulsating spray options let you genuinely customize the experience rather than settling for a one-size setting. A busy parent I know was mid-renovation and nearly skipped this upgrade entirely to save time. She installed the KS5 in under an hour and told me it immediately became the one thing guests always noticed first. Long-term daily comfort is where this investment truly proves itself.
Once that first morning routine shifts, everything around it feels calmer and more intentional. The heated seat becomes something you genuinely look forward to rather than something you simply tolerate. The warm air dryer reduces toilet paper dependency in a way that feels natural rather than forced. And the remote memory presets mean every family member gets their exact preferred settings without touching a dial. A bathroom tech analyst described the KS5 plainly as a seat that sets itself apart through tankless heating and its balance of advanced features against genuinely competitive value compared to higher-priced models. A verified long-term user echoed that, saying the KS5 really hits the sweet spot of quality and features, and confirmed it never once ran out of warm water across extended daily use. Results may vary depending on household usage patterns. Now, the honest objection worth addressing. Some users note the KS5 removed the deodorizer and pre-mist features found in older TOTO models. That is a fair observation. But the tankless heating, self-cleaning wand, and 4-user preset system address the core daily experience far more meaningfully than those secondary features did. What bathroom comfort feature matters most to your household? That might shape exactly how much this upgrade transforms your routine. The TOTO WASHLET KS5 is a genuinely thoughtful bathroom investment for anyone who wants warm, consistent, hygienic cleansing without daily compromise or maintenance frustration. A growing number of homeowners, renovation professionals, and comfort-focused families are already choosing it as their permanent bathroom upgrade. Results may vary based on your setup and preferences. Check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment to explore it further and experience what a truly warm, clean, and personalized bathroom routine feels like every single day.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.